I'm Carter, a second grader in Miss Paterno's class. One day, on the way to lunch, we saw a 3D printer in the lobby. We had a lot of questions. Mrs. Paterno found an article about how 3D printing could help tortoises who had been badly burnt in fires by printing new shells for them. We still had a lot of questions. Mrs. Paterno had an idea. She contacted Mrs. Susie and asked her to come and talk to our class about 3D printing. And we still had a lot of questions. So she set up a 3D printer in our classroom so we could see it working. We printed a eastern box turtle shell. Mrs. Susie cleaned it up for us. Gave it to Mrs. Peyton, who helped us paint it to look like a box turtle. You can see the finished shell in the display cabinet in the middle school lobby. Brought to you by the Socrates Academy Annual Fund. You can invest in the future of a child by going to socratesacademy.us/donate.